These are the materials needed: your fabric, your scissors, your tape measurements, your marker. This is what a marker looks like. This is a felt material which is also optional. I prefer it, so I'll be using it. In the absence of all this, I'm going to be using an interface, placing it on each other like this to achieve the desired thickness that I need, that is required for this Zara scarf. So I proceeded with the making of the scarf by measuring out the fabric. I place it on fold and I measure 24 inches. When I open the fold, it's going to be 48 inches, which is what I need for the circumference, while the length of the scarf is going to be 24 inches. This measurement can be subjected to change depending on how wide and long you want your scarf to be. For the marker, I measure 18.5 by 3 inches, which is the standard for making Zara scarf, for the head circumference of 23 inches. So I went ahead and I folded the marker or the felt material, as the case may be, into two, and as well I folded the fabric in two, and I notch it at the center, as you can see. Then I place it on each other, making the notch part align together. So I went ahead and I dressed the felt material backwards by 3.5 inches, making sure that the notch part is still aligned together at the center. Then I went ahead and I measured the 3.5 inches, which is needed to cover the marker or the felt material, as the case may be, and the half inches on top of it for the sewing allowance. So here is how I folded it, securing the marker tightly to the edge, to the close edge of the fabric. So I went ahead and I sewed it from the edges, making sure that I'm not sewing on the felt material or the marker on both sides. I sew beside, very close to the marker, but not on the marker. So this is what it looks like after sewing it on both edges. Then I secure the marker firmly to the close end to make sure that it's fitting well with no excess cloth there. Then I folded the clothes by half inch inside. Then I sew from the center to one side. So I went ahead from the middle again and I folded from the center to the other side, and I sew it like that. So this is what it looks like after sewing it. So I went to the edges and I folded. So I went ahead and folded like this all through the scarf edges, and I sew it to have a neat end, a finished edge for my scarf. And that is the end of the scarf. The remaining depends on how you want to style it, how you want to rock it with your dress. So while placing it on your head, you fold it like this to cover the stitch, the sewing, so that the sewing line is not going to be showing at all. You fold it like that and you place it like I'm holding it on your head. So go ahead and tie your scarf, your Zara scarf. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So thanks for coming this far with my video. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share my video.